So, A, B, C, D, whoa, too far back. A, B, C, D, and K. It's dk because 0.4 is less than 1. And our horizontal asymptote is y equals the letter D value, which is what? What's the D value here? So remember, horizontal asymptote, use the letter D for your y equals. Now, if I were to graph this, it would look like okay, it'd be a horizontal line at -8, right? And then, for domain and range, now if I were to graph this in my calculator, okay, it would look something like this. Except it doesn't touch, so let's try that again. Now, domain, what do you think? Negative to positive infinity. Goes left forever, goes right forever. So negative infinity to positive infinity. Okay, the range. Now, there's a lot of errors on this. It depends which side of the asymptote is on. Does it? So we always start from bottom to top. How far down does this go? What? So you're saying it doesn't go below -8? No, it does go below -8. The entire thing is below -8, right? How far down does it go? Forever. So when you see the graph on the bottom, that is starting with negative infinity, and it goes up to this line, which is -8. So again, that's why people on the assignment always putting the asymptote first. It depends where your graph is, on top or bottom. Now, up to -8 with a parentheses, because it does not touch. Now, transformations. If A is negative, remembering our notes, if A is negative, that is a reflect over X. Whoops. So write that down, reflect over X. And look at B. B is -2. No. B is negative as well. And if B is negative, that's what? So actually, it reflects over X and Y. So actually, next to reflect over X, put and Y. 2 reflections. Okay, going back to the A value. A is 5, and 5 is greater than 1. So when A is greater than 1, that's a vertical stretch. And we already talked about B. What about C? If C is -7, is that up, down, left, or right? Down? No. Who said left? C's a liar, and you got lied to. Because -7 is going to go to the right at 7. Right? C is a liar. What about letter D? Up or down, left or right? What do you think? Down 8. Now, we've had plenty of time to do our assignments and do our review. This is your last extra day to do that. Tomorrow is your test. Your review is due before your test. Your test counts twice. It will greatly help or hurt your grade. Right? So, make sure you do the review, study your review, bring it tomorrow. You have the answers to the review. You can take a picture of those. You have the other video on this YouTube channel, if you're listening to this right now on the internet, that you can find. And you have plenty of time right now to finish your assignments and then to finish your review. Tomorrow is the day to be ready to take your test. Any questions? Okay.